It's in the car, and I'm just not making it to the freaking beauty supply. I'm starting off this vlog. It's Monday. Yeah, I gotta get some braiding hair. I'm getting some twists, some boho twists, some twists for curls tomorrow. Super excited. How have y'all been? I haven't talked to y'all since the Vegas vlog. Did y'all like the Vegas vlog? And if y'all haven't watched it, go tune into that because I think it was a vibe. I need to get some wig products. I think I'm gonna get another small bottle of this. I need some wig caps. I come to the beauty supply house like every 2 days, bro. It's a problem. And I'm in a rush because I'm about to go to the gym. I need to just get some braiding hair. I already got shot in gym. Let's just go to the braiding hair. Let me call Kennedy and see what kind of hair she want me to get. Okay, she told me to get just some regular braiding hair and some features curls. Now I'm about to get one of these. These the shit, I'm telling you. I'm getting a wig cap now. I forgot that was back here. I do this every single time and I come to the same beauty supply. I should know where these wig caps are. These. Okay. We're out of the beauty supply. Now I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna put on some music. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get there. So now I'm at the gym. I stopped at the store to get me some smart water. We're at Planet Fitness. Okay, it's Tuesday. Let me tell y'all why I'm looking crazy. I was supposed to go get my hair done today. I was supposed to go get some twists, right? Into the gym. All of that stuff was just hectic. That didn't happen. So I'm getting my hair done on Friday. Kenny was doing my twist. K Stylist. That cord. She's gonna get me together. Since we've talked, I've got my nails done. These is ready to come off. I'm gonna insert a clip of how my nails look before, how I nailed it on the nails. You already know. I'm gonna give y'all a beauty supply haul. So this is the braiding hair I use. Expression, baby. I get the, I think it's 72 inch. Don't play with me with the 50. I need to sit. Thank you. 3 of these should be enough. I got this glue. I never tried this glue before. It's the Even glue. It was $17.99. I honestly could use any glue and melt. I'm not gonna lie. I can melt any legs. Y'all need to book. But I just got it because it was the biggest one. And I be running out of glue like crazy. We're gonna see what this time about. These wig caps is just 5 of them for $1.99. I got them in the lightest shade, which is beige. Another one of these. I'm gonna do y'all an install video. Edge fixer. It was $3.49. Cute, right? I've been craving Chipotle, y'all. Gotta get a side of chips and guac. What? Yeah. I had a boring bowl, but I'm picky and this hit right. It's cool for me. I'm watching fish hooks. Hi y'all, it's Tuesday. I have a wig and style client today. I'm watching Soft Life Through Christ. My client is outside. I'm about to go get her. I changed my room around. Nothing compared to what has to be done. I'm gonna do a room transformation. This is gonna be my fourth time transforming this room. So this is a closure wig. I think it's probably like a 6x6. It goes eyebrow to eyebrow. It looks very natural. Okay. Now I'm at Walmart trying to find some pimple patches. I don't know which one I want to get. But this one is pink though. They sold me just because it's pink. Okay. Now, kombucha. The girlie said that the passion fruit one is good. I think I'm gonna get this one. The pink lady apple health aid kombucha. Ugh. I think I'm gonna get this. Yeah. So on Friday, I have to model these clothes, and the stomach has to get flat. So I looked up on my TikTok saves and actually got one of the things that they said was for gut health and tummy flattening. So I'm gonna update y'all. I'm gonna take a shot of it every day in the morning on an empty stomach. We're gonna see what it's giving. They said it's supposed to be disgusting, but I've taken like shots of apple cider vinegar in the morning, so it shouldn't be that bad. I started trying to take my nails off. My planner's right here. I'm about to book my nail appointment. What I came on here to tell y'all was that I got a small attitude, like a little bit of an attitude right now because I'm trying to get an intro made, and I think that I'm a perfectionist, and I could have done my own intro. I could have done my own banner. I could have, you know what I'm saying? I could have did that myself, but I'm out of that era, and I have learned that it's okay to pay somebody else to get a job done in order for me to direct my energy somewhere else. You get what I'm saying? I don't think that I'm a bad customer because I'm very descriptive. Like, yes, I'm a perfectionist, and yes, I want it exactly how I imagined it in my mind, but I explain it down to the T, down to the font, down to the seconds, down to the theme, down to the color, clips, examples, everything. Providing you with fonts, like but this is all for y'all, and I really do hope that y'all appreciate it because I'm stressed. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm walking to go get inside of my Uber. I have a very eventful day ahead of me. While I'm getting my hair done, I need to be ordering me some monomer off of Uber or DoorDash so I can soak these nails off, put my personal nails on, and then when I'm done, do my makeup. I'm at Kitty house, y'all. My Uber was trying to get me. I always manage to come on here looking crazy.
It's all we have right now. You know, it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give.
They already cute.
Okay, love. This how much we got done now.
Yeah.
They coming out real cute. Hold on, let me hold this part up. Yeah, that coming out real cute, real cute.
Yeah.
Book it.
The hair is done. Now I'm about to do my makeup. Yesterday was a very eventful day. I was supposed to be going to go get my hair done, soaking off my nails in the process, doing my makeup, and then leaving, and then going to go to the shoot. Got to the shoot too late. Pool was closed, so we couldn't shoot. Rescheduled it to today. Got an Uber home. Didn't eat all day. It was just a hectic day. Today, like I said, we rescheduled the shoot to today. I'm possibly going to go see the Barbie movie. If I go see the Barbie movie, I'm wearing all pink. Tomorrow, I want to go to the gym. I'm gonna keep y'all updated when I'm doing something more interesting. I'm laying in the bed and editing right now. Do y'all like my hair? 10 out of 10. K Stylist. She did her biggest one. Don't play with that girl. And everybody been asking, like, who did your hair? Kenny. It's about 6 o'clock. I'm about to do my makeup, put some music on. I gotta pack my bag. I gotta leave the house at like 6:45 if I want to be there on time. Makeup done. I'm about to leave. As y'all can see, I made a mess. I'm gonna do my edges in the car, and I'm gonna put my nails on too. Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Sing a fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seagull. I'm the first one here, and I'm going to the door to go get them right now. The shoot was a success. Now I'm back home. I'm taking all of the makeup off. I'm so tired of putting on clothes and taking them off. I wonder if the intro is done. I didn't end up going to the movies. I got dressed too late. I'm here back in the room listening to some Drake. This is the end of the vlog. The intro should be done. I hope y'all like it. Comment and let me know how y'all feel about it.